everyone, welcome to the University in Tamangu. This is Jay and Petrie, and they will take you on a tour today.
Hello, good morning. This is our person class, and we're going to sing.
Indonesia, wonderful.
Please be with us. Amen.
About 5 cats, but we don't really like them.
This is some of the staff here working in the university office.
Pendidikan di sini mencoba mengkolaborasikan antara pendidikan intelektual dengan pendidikan karakter.
The interesting part of the education system because they are combining the intellectual study and the character development.
When I learned how to pray properly and started to learn what prayer can do, then I started to get into it.
Yesus Kristus adalah Tuhan. Dan takut kepadamu ya Tuhan.
Kita harus dengan sengaja membangun hubungan dan kesatuan kami semua.
Rick and his element, rainy night. Gotta love the pink guitar.